Protecting your 1957 Chevrolet on your next road trip is easy thanks to a custom front end bra by Wardlow Bras. The front end bra installs in minutes. It does include detailed instructions, but here are some tips for a quick and easy installation. First, open the hood of the 1957 Chevy and hang the bra from the hood rockets while you secure the center section. Fold the padded tabs around the front edge of the hood and make sure they are properly aligned with the bottom of the hood. Next, lift the hood and connect the elastic straps to the hood supports. These straps keep the bra in place and prevent flapping while driving. Once both sides are secured, close the hood and move on to the side panels. Pull the bra over the headlights so you can anchor the bra into the fender opening. Fold the padded tabs around the bottom edge of the bumper to secure, then anchor the opposite side of the bra around the headlight. This premium front end mask is tailor-made to the vehicle for the ultimate fit and protection. It is constructed of heavy-duty vinyl with a padded backing. If the bra appears too tight to properly install, we suggest warming the bra with a hairdryer or a heat gun before installation to help soften the fabric. Wardlow bras are available at California Car Power for most 1955 to 1957 Chevrolet vehicles, plus many other popular classic cars.